In this video, we're going to show you a three-step process: how to check, clean, and replace your spark plug. Whether you're doing maintenance or troubleshooting to keep your engine running properly, we recommend checking your engine operator's manual for replacement intervals. Step 1, we have to check the spark plug, and that begins with removal of the spark plug. So let's begin that process. The first thing we need to do is remove the spark plug wire. You can grip it and go ahead and pull it straight off of the spark plug and then move it out of the way. The next thing we're going to need is a spark plug wrench. We're going to use the 5/8 end for this spark plug. You place it over the spark plug until you feel it engaged on the hex. Install the turning tool and loosen the spark plug. You'll turn the spark plug out. The threads are fairly long, so it's going to take a few turns to remove it. And once it's removed, we can now begin our process of inspecting our spark plug. This spark plug here is the one we just removed from our engine. As you can see by contrast, this is a brand new spark plug. It's much cleaner. This one is covered with carbon and it's very dark. We can restore this spark plug by cleaning it and checking the gap. Let's go ahead and look at that process. All right, so I'm going to use the soft wire brush, and you want to use a soft one because we don't want to damage the porcelain insulator around the electrode. So I'm going to begin by starting to brush the outside edge of the spark plug and start to turn it as I'm brushing it so I get all of the surface areas. All right, that looks fairly good. Now we need to go ahead and check our spark plug gap. So what we're going to do now is check the gap of the spark plug. This is a spark plug gapping tool. To use it, we insert this between the open gap in the spark plug on the smallest end. It says 0.020. And then slide the spark plug up until it stops. Wherever it stops is what your measurement is. Mine is exactly 0.030, which is 30 thousandths of an inch. That's exactly correct for this spark plug. However, if you do need to make an adjustment, you can with a different part of the tool. It has this open hole, which allows you to grip the end of the spark plug and open it as needed to get your proper adjustment. All right, if you were able to restore and clean and check your gap on your spark plug, you can go ahead and reinstall it at this time. Now, if you had one of the damaged spark plugs, now we need to consider replacing it. So I'm going to go ahead and install a brand new spark plug in our engine here. I'm going to use this spark plug wrench tool again. I'm going to go ahead and place the spark plug in the end. Carefully turn the spark plug back one turn until you feel the threads seat, and then slowly turn the spark plug wrench until you feel the spark plug stop turning. Once it stops, we'll need to tighten it the rest of the way, and that's where we use the turning tool. Place it in, give it a turn. Now the spark plug's tight. The last step is reattach your spark plug wire. Now the machine's ready to go.